Hi, I'm James, and in this video I'm taking a very quick look at a question which a lot of commenters have asked on my Windows 11 upgrade videos, which is whether you can receive security or cumulative updates on a version of Windows 11 that you have installed on unsupported hardware. So what we can see here is that this is a Core i5-7500 system, the very one that I have been using in those videos. And if we go into Windows Update, we can see, so there are no updates currently available. But if we go into the update history, we can see that we have received a quality update, we have received driver updates, antivirus definition updates, and also in here some cumulative updates for .NET and malicious software removal tools and so on. So all the indications so far are that we can indeed use this to update the system. It's not really in Microsoft's interest to have unpatched Windows installations on a network. In fact, even on Windows 10, if you have an unactivated copy of Windows, you still receive updates as you normally would. Where this may get more murky is whether a version of Windows 11 which is on a unsupported system, will receive feature updates. These will probably fall foul of the same supported processor and TPM checks as the initial upgrade, and so may well not work. But for now, these quality updates, cumulative updates, drivers, and so on all appear to be coming through on Windows Update as you would expect. I hope you found this video useful. Do let me know in the comments if you're finding this works for you or if not. And hit subscribe if you'd like to see more videos as I post them. Any questions or things you'd like to see tested as well, just let me know and I'll do my best to do so. Thanks for watching.